What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we're getting ready to do a walk around on a 1970 Camaro. Guys, if you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com for additional information. This one here has a 400 under the hood. Looks like it's got the AC stuff hooked up. We're going to be trying that out throughout the video. Power steering. Drum brake or disc brakes in the front. Should be drum brakes in the rear on this one. And it is. If you want to get financed, we have all that available on our website along with shipping information. I went ahead and opened the trunk and the hood, so I'm not throwing the camera around. We're gonna get started up here, point out any kind of flaws that I could find so you know exactly what you're coming to buy before you get here. So hit that subscribe button, let's get started. Little bumpers on it are nice and clean. Headlight bezels look good. A little bit of pitting going on the grill. The front end here does have a few little chips and scratches. You can see, I'm gonna get real close so you can see exactly what I'm talking about here. Looking down the side of the car, it's nice and straight looking. And check the bottoms of the doors for any rust. There is one spot right here. Trim's a little dull around the window. Checking the bottoms of the doors all the way back. A few little bubbles popping up under the paint there. They're shy to come out though. Little chip in the door that's already been touched up. Little chip down here in the back. Paint's a little flat around the tail lights, and the bumper's got some scratches. It's not perfect. Bolt's kind of sticking out there. Some of the chrome's coming off on this bumper. Weather stripping feels pretty soft going around the trunk. Paint's falling off right here on the trunk lid. See, some of it's already fell off. Package tray's got a little bit of surface rust in it, nothing major. Trunk itself's got a little bit of moisture in it. A little bit of water. It was raining like crazy today. That's why we're doing the walk-arounds of all the cars on the lot. We're gonna get to the test drives later on this week. So if you're looking for a test drive video, it should be up later this week. Today is Wednesday. Go ahead and shut this hood or trunk down. It shuts nice and easy. Solid. It lines up pretty good. Coming down this side of the car here, you got a little dent and some body work's been done in that area. There's a crack right here. A little wavy in the bottom of that door. There's a spot in the bottom of the door right here. And up here. See the rust bubbles coming through and the work that's been done on the door.
Like I said, you just don't see them no more. Hey, you never get a dip.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and check the interior out on this one. It's a white interior, not in the best shape. You can see the seat has got a split in it. It's gonna need some repairs. And the back panels have been painted over. Need to be replaced. Package tray's in good shape. Back seat's not bad. Headliner looks nice and straight. The dash, go ahead and place your bets. You think the horn's gonna work on it? Something we like to do on this channel. The dash itself is nice and clean, no cracks. It's not dry rotting. We got a temperature gauge under the dash. Before we get in, you can see they've painted the door. It was like an off-white, and now that's a white down there. They used the wrong paint for one. The weather stripping around the door is not bad. It's pulling a little bit up top and the bottom. Checking the bottoms of the doors, give you an undershot there. Carpet's not in bad shape. It's like a gold color. Let's go ahead and jump up in here. Showing 94,000 miles. You know I can't stand behind that in these cars. This is a 70 model. Console looks pretty good. Go ahead and start it up. Keep my foot away from the gas pedal. Definitely got a little bit of a cam in it. See if the radio cuts on at all. Old radio. I don't believe it works. Gas tank showing half the tank there. I do believe this one's probably gonna work. Windshield wipers, where are you at? Leave it right here on the dash. The label's gone for the wipers. Wondering if the AC works. It looks like our compressor's turning out there. I'm not feeling anything blowing, but I hear it. Okay, here it comes. It's just out of the center two vents. We'll give it a second to try to cool off. And see if it's working. Go ahead and try the horn. Horn works. It works on this one. Engine temp is coming up. It's so hot out here that this AC feels like it's working, but I don't think it is because it's not super cold. Try to give it a second to cool off. See that compressor's turning over there. Motor's nice and quiet. Hood's a little bit different color than the fenders. You can tell they painted it separate, but it's nice and clean. Definitely been painted more recent. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. I do have close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, so check that out for sure. We're gonna start up here in the front, go around the car, and get you some undercarriage shots. All right, let's go. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. And if you don't mind, share these videos. It helps us out greatly. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all. Have a good one.